Hello friend, welcome once again to my channel How to Know. Today I'm going to tell you about the very important things and very interesting thing about the Gate.io. Today, actually, I think you don't know about this activity which is going over here. So let us start a video and I will tell you in detail. First of all, you have to be a part of the Gate.io and you need to sign up on the Gate.io. After sign up, just you can see here a moving promo is going on over here. Announcement part is here. So just you have to click on the more part, and after clicking on the more, a page will be open. Here you can see get startup solvent SVT initial sale. I will show you in next video all these points, but in this video I'm going to tell you about the interview. Correct, you have listened just now, which is 100% correct. Gate.io is recruiting for the post of influencer. Okay, so let's see what is it. First of all, you have to click over here and the page is open in front of us. Then let's read out what it is saying. Recently, Gate has started influencer recruitment post. Program 2 first part is already working and program 2 is started, which has invited some influencer in crypto space to join to further create more cordial environmental for user and activate interaction between the user and influencer. Gate.io will hold a real-time interview monthly in the chat room where user and influencer can share their ideas and opinions. Okay, event start time. It is going to be start from 17th of January from 900 UTC. So let's see how to participate in this. First of all, enter the gate.io chat room to join the interview event. So first of all, you have to join the chat room. We will discuss. I will demonstrate how you can join it after this reading. So first of all, you need to join the chat room, and during the time period, the time period start from 17th, and you have to join the chat room in this period. Okay, you will have an opportunity to win red packet. Okay, I don't know what is red packet. We will see in further. And for new user, please first sign up and then join the event. If you are new user, if you are not a user of the Gate.io, just be a part of the Gate.io. Just use link, sign up link given in the description section of this video. So next is question collection. First of all, share your questions to find the answer together with influencer. Just you need to share your questions. Okay, what is the doubt about the Gate.io and what is the your queries you can raise over there. After that, influencer will respond on it. So the Gate.io influencer recruitment post program 2 has been officially launched. We sincerely invite all users in the chat rooms and post to join. The question collection starts now. We will collect and select the 5 most requested questions to share in the interview and find the answer together with the influencer. All the answered question will be recorded to form a question answer collection from user for the future reference. Okay, 5 user who question have been adopted to share the in the interview will receive 100 in points as a thank you reward. Suppose 5 users are questioning some question and same question has been adopted for the interview, then they all those 5 users will get 10 points as a thank you reward. Okay, then question collection period will start from 10th of January. It means it is started to 13th of January. Okay, then it will end in next 2 days. So hurry up to get sign up on the Gate.io and start earning and get the chance to be a influencer of the Gate.io. As I would like to say, an official influencer of the Gate.io. So, question collection period is starting from the 10th of January and ending on 13th of January. Okay, so participation link is given here. First of all, HTTPS, you can directly click over here and you can participate on the Gate.io. So just you need to click over here. After clicking, a page will be open. Here, Gate.io announcement on the influencer interview of the Gate.io code with wealth. No, recently Gate.io started all those things which are already read out over there. Event start time is given over here. Okay, so let's move it on. First, you need to put here your Gate.io ID, which you can find over here. If you're clicking here, then here you can find UID 702850, which will be your referral ID also. So you can remember it easily. Then, single choice question: the topic that you are concerned about most. What? A. Market analysis, hot news analysis, cryptocurrency news analysis, currency recommendation, tutorial, and common knowledge. So here I made a tutorial and common knowledge. So I will select here one of these point. So my is here. This is. Then next question is coming. Fill in the blanks. Your specific question is, what is my specific question? So my question will be, how a user can be a VIP one or two. And in same repetition, in same continuation, my question will be also, and why a user needs to be a VIP one or more. Okay, so here my question, and just I have to submit on here. After submission, a confirmation link will be open. As you can see here, just I have to verify in the puzzle box by sliding on the this thing, and after it's successful, it will be show thank you message, and a confirmation mail will be sent to your mail ID. I would say that on your registered mail ID for this. Okay, then again come here. So first of all, this link I will also share in the description section. You can directly join from this link for in this contest. So disclaimer also given here. User must note that after logging in, gaining access to Gate.io and then publishing content, it will be interpreted that all user have read and agreed with the rule regulations. Okay, first is the objective of the information being released by user of Gate.io exchange is created awareness. The content itself does not necessarily reflect to view of the Gate.io. Gate.io only support the release of author original articles, and the publisher is responsible for the legal liability and intellectual property infringement that may be caused by copyright infringement. Okay. Second disclaimer is the content released by influencer does not constitute a trading advice. Like any influencer, if you are being influencer, that it should not be. If you are giving any kind of advice, it should not be advice. Just it should be an informational video, not you are saying that please buy it and please buy it, it's going high, or it sell it, it's going down. It should not be advisal note by the influencer. There are risks with the investing, so it is necessary to be caution when entering the crypto market. Get.io provide this platform to the for the author express their views, which does not constitute agreement with the author on observations. Third article, third disclaimer: some published content on the GitHub may have external links due to author reference and recommendation. Gate.io is not responsible for the reliability of this website or resource link does not guarantee the author legacy. So you can read it where no, there should not be any legal activity. Okay, this should be fair and clean. So here some screenshot is also attached how to get a reverse the right to final interpretation of the this recruitment program. So how to enter the chat room? Just in web version, you can see here screenshot. Enter the Gateway website, fiat trading. Click on the fiat trading and margin trading, trading to enter any page of them. Click chat room in the lower chart. Okay. So as in screen you can see here. Let's see in next page like news. Here you can find chat room. Just you have to click on the chat room. I have opened two pages for the of the same Gate.io web version, and after clicking here, chat room is opened in left section. Let's see what is next. After this, here you can see chat. Click news in lower right corner and click chat room. Enter the chat room. Okay. After entering, you can see you have joined your chat room, and my chat room is being created, and in some time it will be on live, and I can raise multiple comments in this section, and multiple influencer will reply on that. After the reply after their review, they will give a proper reply. If my question is being taken in interview, then I will get the $10 in thanks reward, and also I will extend the chance of the as a recruiter, as a post for the influencer. Okay, so hope this video is very informational for all user, and please let me know how it is for you and how much informative this video. So I would like to thanks everyone for watching this video. Thanks for watching video. Thanks again.